The government may have gone ahead with the appointment of former Chief Justice of India P. Sathasivam as the Governor of Kerala, but the political opposition is unrelenting in its attack, alleging a quid pro quo between the centre and the former CJI.
जिस तरह से ये बातें आई हैं मीडिया में कि उन्होंने अमित शाह का फेवर किया था, इसलिए उनको ये पद दिया गया है, तो ये तो और भी चिंताजनक है कि इस तरह से जो हमारे देश की जुडिशरी है, न्यायालय है, उसकी जो एक आज़ादी है या जो उसका एक स्टेटस है, उसके ऊपर एक प्रश्न चिन्ह लगता है.
Sathasivam has refuted the allegation at the outset, saying his judgments have been completely fair and impartial.
It is a advantage for the state. That is my view. I am not a politician. I am not supporting any political parties, and I can utilize my rich experience to the people of Kerala.
Defending his appointment, Sathasivam has said that a governor's post is a constitutional one, and he sees no reason why he should not have accepted it. 65-year-old Sathasivam is the first former Chief Justice of India to be appointed as a governor. He retired as the CJI in April. Congress has seized upon his appointment to accuse the BJP of double standards.
उन्होंने इस चीज का विरोध किया था कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस की नियुक्तियां रिटायरमेंट के बाद किसी और पद पर नहीं होनी चाहिए, और अब वही लोग CJI को उन्हीं ने केरला के गवर्नर बना के भेजा है.
Kerala and Supreme Court Bar Association too have opposed Sathisivam's appointment as Kerala governor. The BJP, however, maintains that since the decision to give Sathasivam a gubernatorial position is of the president, it should not be disputed.
एक संवैधानिक व्यवस्था है, उस संवैधानिक व्यवस्था के तहत वो नियुक्ति हुई है. इसमें न किसी तरह के कोई राजनीति करने की जरूरत है और न किसी तरह के विरोध की जरूरत है, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली कांग्रेस की आदत बन गई है.
Since the NDA government came to power, the opposition has been raising hackles over removal of governors and has now widened its attack by dragging in gubernatorial appointments. With former CJIs becoming members of parliament and assuming key posts post-retirement in the past, the question is the controversy a needless one? With Shailendra Mishra, Newsnight Desk, DD News.